friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video I'm going to talk about the tips and tricks and features in the always on display in Realme UI 3.0. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting. Can you please show us the always on display customization in the Realme UI 3.0? Right now I did install in the Realme GT device, which is early access. And I did upload plenty of videos already on the Realme UI as well. So in case if you want to know more details, try to check the playlist which I uploaded, friends, as you can see. So once you click the playlist, you will be able to find all the recent uploaded videos. So everything, A to Z topics I'm trying to upload one by one. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates. So don't worry, I'll try to cover all the topics, whatever necessary for the always on display in this video. So especially I'm going to cover this kind of topics like image canvas, as you can see, another such cool customization. That's what I'm going to cover in this video. So thank you for all your feedback and support till now, and we are very close to reach that 1 lakh subscribers very soon. So let's get started, friends, without wasting any time. Let's go to that first option. To find the always on display option, try to go to the personalization. Here you'll be able to find the always on display. So in this always on display, the first thing is pretty common, which we did see, which is power saving, schedule, and all day together. We can actually set that. Next is to click on the info. In the info section, you'll be able to select the time. If you want to select the time or date or battery notifications, in this way you can actually disable anything you want. As you can see, extra information if you don't want to have, you can actually disable there, and that's what is about. And here is your personalized customization always on displays will be stored in this section. So I did like this new customization option which is present in the always on display in this phone, which looks fantastic, friends. I'll try to explain each and everything. So these are the recently created customization options which you do have. So you can actually have the 4 different I think personalization. So one is a custom patterns you can actually have. Next is a text one, and third one is a text and image, and fourth is the portrait one. So which a lot of users are actually eagerly waiting for this one, portrait mode. This 4 different customization you can actually have in this always on display, which is really next level customization. The main thing which I did like is about the custom patterns. This is one of my favorite thing, because you can actually create unlimited amount of always on display patterns in the Realme phones. That's the one thing which I did like from the beginning till now. So we do have different patterns, as you can see. Right now it did select in one of the different pattern. If you want, you can have this kind of pattern, maybe different kind of pattern. As you can see, all the designs are changing. You can clearly see, friends, depending upon the what type of line I'm trying to select. Clearly, in case if you want to draw some kind of thing, let me try to show you. Once you tap on the shape, you can actually click the brush as well, and you can increase and decrease the brush intensity. And now let me try to draw something, maybe some kind of name. As you can see, I did draw it, and let me try to click OK. Now it will be coming, and let me try to click apply, and I did close the phone, and you can see, friends. And previously I think it used to display the real-time written text as well in the first time, but now right now it's not displaying, maybe because of the Realme UI early access. That's the reason. Maybe in the stable version this might be able to fix it. And next is the custom patterns we did go through, and next is a text button where you can actually write the text and you can save as your own. This also is available. Next is the text and image. Also you can actually add from your gallery. In case if you want to add any kind of image, you can actually do that. That option is also available. So rounded corners, image blur. Wow, there's a lot of options going on. I did like this kind of rounded corners, as you can see. Exactly, this looks really good. And you can write your name as well. Sai Tech Guru. I did written. Let me just slightly zoom in. Yep. And you can write the text size, how much you want. You can do that. And text weight as well. Okay, not bad. There's a lot of text is going on, friends, here. And text location. Okay, we can keep on the top. Alignment is possible. It's kind of really good to see this kind of level of customization. A lot of customization is there exactly at this moment. Not bad. Click apply. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, there is an image little bit. That's not that brightened, but less you got. And next is the final one is a portrait one. So portrait one, you can take any other selfie what you want, and you can actually convert them into the portrait. Right now I did convert already. So let me just show you. So let's select random. I try to select this one. Yes. So I just want this one. So generate. So once after you select any image from your mobile phone, click on the generate option. As you can see, it automatically generates the portrait image of myself. And now you can actually select the different text as well on the clock what you want. And there's an option which says apply the original image to the home screen and the lock screen wallpapers. So if you don't want to apply that, you can disable that option. So even if you disable that home screen lock screen wallpaper, still you'll get the portrait mode. As you can see, portrait mode always on display, which looks fantastic. Wow. As you can see, it's covering all phone. I did like this kind of, I don't think, and there are a couple of things has been also changed when you try to open the phone. Let's try to observe the animations surrounding the phone. As you can see, the animation, it's kind of shadow effect it's going on in the borders. Try to look off again. As you can see, it's shadow effect. I did like this kind of smooth transition effect. And let me try to enter to the phone. And right now let's go to the again personalization and always on display. And those are the things. And next is the system provided one. So which is a digital clock. We are having, I think, 15. There's a number which is written here, as you can see, which is really good to know how much count it has got. So digital clocks, there are 15 digital clocks, analog clocks 10, Realme emoji as well, which are available 4. Not bad. So which is also looks good. Let me start again. Let's see. Not bad, which looks kind of good. If you want, you can have those. And next is image. So different kind of image animations. I think this kind of live, not bad. So live wallpapers, something like that kind of thing. Let me try to check. Yes, it's working. It's actually moving. Yes, it's moving in the beginning. Let's check this one, bubbles. I think this should be kind of good. Let's see. Yes, you can see the moving text, little bit kind of moving image. Starting again, it will stop, so it won't move continuously. So these are the complete in-depth review on the always on display in the Realme UI 3.0. So there's lot of things I need to explore, friends. I cannot make in one single video, it's not possible. So that's why I'm trying to do my best to post the individual videos, because I'll try to make another video as well, don't worry. So right now I'm trying to explore all the options what are available in this Realme UI 3.0. So which is, I did receive the early access only. This is not the stable version. This is just an early access. So what you need to do is that you just need to follow the playlist meanwhile. So because if you have any other doubts, if you try to check in the playlist, you can find all the videos related to that particular topic. Anything regarding the camera or maybe display or battery, all those details, I'll try to update the details as soon as possible in one single playlist. So meanwhile, let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to upload on this Realme UI 3.0. Finally is always on display customization. I'm trying to update one by one. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.